Okay.
If Ghana economy the ISCC, you know. Kes can say a known MPP's definition.
So 17.
Adrianaba.
Okay.
If Captain said Ghana economy, baby or my son.
So from City News report, it's now moved to about 17.4 thousand.
If baby Ghana economy, I say I be drew and nay. Kes can say a known or more definition of stability there. And yet they have no business being in government. Adrianaba the in America, sir. 2016, 2017, or mobile for economy, no one almost say economy na say kromu so omuhu bi da no. Na inflation you say na 15%. Eduana ba me boa.
Sure.
And ne who the mobile and who the inflation akudru 54%. And now ye say inflation is about 26-27%. 28 kra. Food inflation is about 32%. Good. Oh they are assuming without admitting kra say 23. We say 15 and the NDC in your papa, but 23 and the MPP is stability there. Not as a Kesken and the one macro and and no koda dollar rates are more your handy over mamo na 3.8. Most economy not say Dr. Baumiasi if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. And now what the Akoma I could do 12 cities now say no na stability there. Then I think say we need to revise our definition of stability. Ediana about the TNA say MPP are running Ghana economy down. Never in the history of Ghana since independence. And yenya abanya waba wa shada kasa say or say or man economy. Ediana ba when you Freddy what you say obisika da banga mo koyi ama aban so on farm manager. Dr. Baumia led economic management team nenkwa na ayebi. Ediana ba so sika why investment uko yi wa de aye sika no 400 million a ye de be ma osisi ai dia je se ma 300 million anya sa de a sika ne ye chichem ne atua no 15 years aduana ba unim de enti a ye nya stability of the on the forest market ye exchange rate na stabilize kakra no is because abai we default on all the debt obligations
payments.
So unim sa
Sure.
Bosia na aban na kobo abedi na esan se wan fa nya de pa o de be ye niema ehia nti no emre so okotua sika no ntimi nya dai entua enu nti na Ghana ya downgrade your economy ni to junk status baller status say your economy nya papa obi am pese obeba be invest in Ghana no enti aduana
say you free junk
enti aduana we free junk kan ya ba he we are still very close to junk but aduana ba are we servicing our debt? Adriana, are we servicing our debt?
No, we are not.
We have defaulted on all our debt. All service our debt and so on. All the city back $100.
Yeah.
And now they are kutia. And no nama stability be about on the forest market. But no cry 12 cities. Can you say it's 12 cities? No, better than Mahama 3 cities. No. If this is your definition of stability, yeah, then it means Mahama's management of the economy was 1,000 times better. And therefore, you people have no business being in government. And I say Dr. Baumia say 7 February or be lectures. At the end of the lectures are opposition. You did that amount for no be lectures. In power, no Dianaba. People don't believe in talks again. No, they believe in action. And the Dr. Baumia won't say ma okay. Yes, I am call IMF no. Oh, by a lecture, no one can say I am a manager economy ye yanko IMF. Dr. Baumia was someone who can yes say fa levy man momo here for na ye no. Oh, because my idea pa man fa levy anya day. And no ni idea man for ye day petty. Enye kasatente because kasatente the top onko. Minimum mediana ba say betimi 0 in on a year emission levy.
Yeah, we can. Let's start with the emission levy.
Na yanko. Eduana ba
you can add up.
Eduana ba.
Yeah.
O pe brebi a Ghana fo aye mobo pa. Eye sabre. Na mobo aya ye ni nyina gina se aban a otia sisi eye Dr. Baumia ne Nanado ene MPP aban no. O mo betum Ghana fo mrade atwa ntra kansam a ennim de age tumi. Na mpani se udi kontompo ene nabraba ekoje akonya untimi fa no kra nya dai emmu enne aduana ba MPP na me ne wo kasa yi MPP di close to about 40 new taxes na abawo aduana ba
40 new taxes
ni bi wo ha ye new ebi wo ha ewu ye no ma renew ebi wo ha mo beto ye no ma sa increase
okay
aduana ba won kai 2016 Dr. Baumia ono na eye omo spokesperson on economy omo launch omo manifesto no no catch ye say omo ba no they are going to move the economy from taxation to production aduana ba mebo but ne under the leadership of Dr. Baumia as head of economic management team no omo move economy no from taxation to more taxation enya no nko aduana ba Dr. Baumia esa catch ye say taxation and borrowing is the lazy man's approach to governance. Just abaya oba wodi tuo bebre ba he can't think outside the box. Inti eye akwadwofo amamu. Aduana ba o kai say Dr. Baumia ka kire say Ghana ye hia say ye bebo bosi ana ye de tuo beba. Ono wa ye adwuma wo Bank of Ghana. Sika wo kurom ha. Inti ehu hia say ye de tuo beba. O twitwa asa atro we nyina na Ghana fo koto abade ye dey ema no. Aduana ba na ade sa da be ya nkwanta yira yen a Dr. Baumia no a wono se yemfa to emu man no enne ono as head of economic management team no we leadiam ye de about 40 new taxes na ye dey aba na me aduana ba de ha me kese kra no eye taxes bi omo de baaye eye covid levy covid baaye aduana ba omo so omo be che yensuo free omo be che yen kane free sana eye bonsama de che ordinance nifa ma wade ba akwa na odi bonkuma gidu aduana ba ne ukoto petrol say onim say covid levy eda so uto nsuo covid levy da so uto sekan covid levy da so sabi e ma part amonsen kra ma de ye omo ho yie no covid na bako Dr. Baumia ne Nanado as head of economic management team omo da so je ho ska aduana ba ye okroma na omo say ekroma ye feed do nti omo de sanitation levy ye bola levy ye dey eba aduana ba ne bola levy no me nu ye tua ne wo ba bia wo ye to bia bola levy ni bi da so aduana ba ene kromati ana ene me ba me fa eye alaba kokejeti bola eta hokra no enye asem keto aduana ba omo de to aba ma ne apetition kra no Dr. Baumia di animu am ye de to abeto so as head of economic management team aduana ba omo de yi levy ba ye o kan nsem omo kan ye omo se yempese ye beko IMF a yenji yi levy ntum aduana ba me bo a did they not say it John Kuma said it, the finance minister said it, say the only idea betimi save Ghana economy no from imminent collapse say ye di yi levy beba anya say beko IMF aduana ba omo nji yi levy no and ye ni IMF so are these people credible? Is Dr. Baumia as head of economic management team credible? aduana ba omo ka kire yen say yi levy is the panacea to all our economic challenges. Road ministers o pese ye mo akwan nyina amunji yi levy ntum aduana ba ya gi yi levy atum and the regional minister ko gina eye Asante Regional House of Chiefs upon say ya gi yi levy ya se eno ne ye de be ye kwan nyina atum no o say still sika ni wa ye de be ya Asante man kwan. Is Dr. Baumia and these people credible? aduana ba ne yes akoda sorry ya wo mo se omo de etuo bi ba ye frɛ no eye ewusie tax 87.9 ewusie tax ene say aduana ba omo se say no eye greenhouse gas anase carbon gas bi ekowie mu a esem frama no enti no omo de ho to eye dey eba na etuo no aduana ba wantua ye ma roadworthy certificate a de be nam kwan so enti na say wo ye moto wo ya abobo ya wo ye tricycle a wo be kwa akotua eye 75 Ghana cedis on eye GOG platform bi so ansa na wo de akọ DVLA so wan fa sa de na ma DVLA nya dey en register wo almost car eno nso eye between eye ne consumption ni kodru be ye de kan no 3.0 no eno nso ubetua 1.5 and above eno no eye trailers ne buses ne coaches no ne ade nso ebetua eye 3 million na aduana ba kronu bia ni wiase a echen sa to we ya aban de aba aduana ba wonim de ntia already no aduana ba wonim say yetua eye pollution levy eda petrol so ukoto petrol na hwe petrol price build up no a yɛsɛ petrol na wodi gu wo car mu no sɛ engine ne hye na epie wɔ wo car ne to a ɛde ngusie ba enti petrol na wotua no yɛde ngusie tax na to so dada 1 litre biara yɛ 10 pesos enti 1 gallon biara yɛbɛyɛ 50 pesos enti aduane ba wotɔ 20 gallons a wotua bɛyɛ 10 Ghana na de ayɛ dɛ ama aban enti esi dai ɛna ade a yɛtua ho ka dada no aban asa akɔfa emission ɛyɛ levy dia ba ɛyɛ double taxation na aduane ba wa ahwɛ nsunsuan so asa ade we bɛwɔ ɛwɔ ɛyɛ a driver for so it will eventually lead to the increase in transport fares ɛbɛma aduane bo ayɛ den na onim sɛ aduane bo yɛ den a ɛka bibia wɔ man mu aduane ba wate ase na let's put the whole discussion in proper perspective aduane ba onim sɛ ɛyɛ greenhouse gas a yɛsi ekɔ wie mu a ɛkɔ so global warming ne climate change nyinaa no Africa nyinaa made up of about 54 countries no your contribution your 4% the whole of Africa your contribution your 4%. China as one country the contribution your 11%. The industrialized country the omunkwa G8 to G20 no omunkwa contribute to 90%. Enti aduana ba omo ankasa agye atomu se omo na pollute environment no enti nansen ya climate change conference aye call no Dubai MPP for kofa nipa bebre call ya ye fra no COP28 no omo twa sika 100 billion to 400 billion say omo agye atomu se greenhouse gas na ye kasa ekọ wiem no eye omo na eye enti omo de sika na beboa ya na na do begye sa sika na die enti na ngusie baako aduana ba o de hu pollution tax ato petrol so sika every UN ye dey eba enti esi dey na wo se wo se be wo sa de to obeto Ghana for so na aduana ba wo ti we bia wo akoto V8 mu no V8 no twi a un create emission bia umma ngusie bia nko wie mu a esen frama enti esi dey na ye je wo sa to no aduana ba nya kro no this is complete thievery because no bia na the car ema ngusie ye dey ekọ wie mu sen frama okay so wo say engusie ekọ wie mu esen frama ema manfo ehome ni nya yare a aduana ba tax na ye gye a ye be checha ma omo a engusie ni ko omumu na omo nya yare na na aduana ba ni nyina ne say afi we ye election year Dr. Baumie pesika de aye campaign enu nti na MPP fu akofa sa to ya ba because it doesn't make sense aduana ba it make sense emission ye tua ho kadada UN edisika breye for environmental sustainability and global warming ejesi dey na usa kofa sa to we de ba na mate se Nana bi na baabi na wo toto ayampia se aban ni de Nana bi ye no ete se de wa mansu ato awie no e na wo de ade abesimu se wo besobi eye krokro de dwon ade we aban ka so de emission tax we ba na duana ba so nim se last year last year no NDC minority aduana ba eko committee eko finance committee no ye nko for to abetia ye say ye mpene so it is captured in the report sabra no Nana bi we ebia nko be ka bi to yasem ne so a enka ama aduana ba ye de ba plenary of parliament aye gya to NDC ye boku out say ye de ye nyintum because they how be Ghana for almost here there or how it is captured in a report or medical parliament. This is captured in the budget. Wait, this emission levy act, no, it was captured in the 2020. Yeah,
budget.
We did not approve the budget. We walked out. And you hold on. And I'm going to nipa nyina buy. And you to aba. And I'm nipa nyina to you vote against. The budget was not approved by consensus.
Okay.
Initially, backben suspended sitting chairman Sabozo say approve budget and this was approve here and some no mobilize and we voted against the budget because of these taxes. Sabra no Nana biwe. Dr. Baumia ede etwo we ba as head of economic management team no they call cabinet no MPP chairman ni general secretary na mubi. Enti Nana bi wo bo mama ne say omo ko cabinet a omo se cabinet amfa ma aduana banka ama enti sa eye crocodile tears ne anoma su no a wo su no wonya dai wonyai omo nyina na atena se e de sa ha we e be hye Ghana fo kon nti mane me ya ne ho say obeyi MPP aye dey afrim the only way aduana bagana for yebetimi agye ye ho afri ofidisumfo afidi a na nado ne Dr. Baumia de akowuram ne say 2024 yebeto aba etia omo because aduana ba driver for na me de mi so omo omo nso de nkomo na ye campaign pa ma na nado ba omo so omo TBB na fop ubehu driver ni bia na bi bo ne ka achi enne aduana ba apart from petrol bo aye den ene eye DVLA eye a akosro a yasade we yaba no aduana ba onim say two insurance move by 21%. Roadworthy certificate ni be BSA akosro by 20
electricity.
Ani ni nyina akosro by 21%. Bone be ni aye Dr. Baumia. Pa bibia all government services ni bibia no enne e free say wani free de aduana ba what say ye de tax ato eye electricity so that because electricity is a public good. Consumption of electricity is a basic necessity. Enunti na ya say de VAT aba aban bia fa bia to electricity so. Me hwe de kesken beka. Se kesken ti mi pa betina ho e defend this ade we ya. Na just a kesken on kwa sorry. Na kesken on kwa sorry me nua no I know how intelligent and objective me ba how intelligent and objective it is. It is a utimi e be defend this ade we ya. Na just a one kasa no why you adwene say one person obekọ heaven. Say Nana B, say Nana B oyam national organizer or say ade enye. Enti e be hwesa wo beka say ya. Enti aduana ba de e kan say.
Let me go to
emission tax no a aban we di aba no. Because we say engusi ekowie mu amanipa yare. Enti sika no a wo koje no be chicha amanipa na yare na na da bi. Say won chicha amanipa no ade na wo de ye. Wo pesika de akoye campaign e na wo mia Ghana fo 2024 Ghana fo momi anye ye mansi ho ne empam Dr. Baumia kontompo na braba fo beto ye
moba mbe tax we
John Dramani Mahama beka ho asem in due course. I don't want to take the wind out of his sail, but he will make a statement on this tax before.
This is about 8 minutes past 9. Hi Akoma 87